Welcome back, you guys. We're out here on the farm today. We're gonna shoot some bowling balls. So my dad and I are both avid bowlers. We bowl every Thursday night on a league together and been doing so for quite a few years. And we just got a bunch of extra balls laying around that we don't use anymore that we figured we'd shoot up. So first up will be my dad's Storm Virtual Gravity. It's a 15-pound ball. We're going to shoot it with the 11.3-inch barrel. Hanson profile from Ballistic Advantage. We're going to shoot it with some M193 from Hornady. It's their Frontier. And we'll see how it does. Stay tuned. A couple hits in there. Bowling ball itself's cracked pretty good. Let's hit it a few more times. Oh, that was a good chunk. More chunks. It's raining. Oh, boom. Gotta check her out after that one. Chunks scattered everywhere. I see the core there. Pretty cool. So you got the shell. I don't know, whatever that is, and then you got the core, which makes it hook. That's pretty cool. Hit it a couple more times, just for good measure. Well, there's chunks everywhere. I could hear it bouncing off some of the outbuildings. It sounded like a piece hit by truck, so I might have to move here. But thanks for watching, you guys. Until the next ball, God bless.